Sometimes I have clients that have understated elegance and they're very feminine. So this makes me think of very muted tones and very natural colours. I also have a lot of clients that are very self-confident, mature, with no filter, pure beauty. A lot of them really like that sophisticated look. Just something that has a lot of dimension and different tones, different highs and lows in the hair, but nothing that's too dimensional, too strong, just something very natural. To create more depth on Madeline's hair, I used the 5 for the regrowth. These have a really lovely blush undertone. Next, I went through and did some low lighting because her hair was so blonde, and really we wanted to create that beautiful brunette. After the low lights were done, I then went through and used the TBH glossing service